Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Vera, mom to 4 kiddos. I have a son with Down syndrome and 2 have a rare disease called Hirschsprung's. And so painting is my outlet, painting is my thing. And today I decided to go out to my garden. Fall is coming super quick here. And it feels a bit sad to see my garden start to dwindle down. And so today I decided to go out, pick some flowers, and we're just gonna we're gonna paint some of the things that I picked. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this little random flower tutorial. Okay, so usually I paint in advance the things that I'm gonna paint, and today I have not done that. So I am going to we're gonna wing it together. I think I'm going to actually make this a 2-part series. So today we're going to pick 3 of these to paint. Ooh, that one's so pretty. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna do these 3 maybe. And watch for part 2 video coming next. I think I'll do that next week. So let's see here. I'm gonna put these in water to conserve their energy. All right, so sweet peas, snapdragon, and a little sunflower. And of course, when you bring in flowers from the outside, there are bugs to accompany, so we shall see how many we see. I'm gonna start with the snapdragon first. Let's see, trying to arrange my things here. And we're using the, find my brush here, Winsor & Sceptor Gold brush. And we're going to get started here. All right, snapdragons, peachy pink colors. So I'm going to use my permanent rose. Add in some yellow ochre. And we'll add in a little bit of that yellow a little bit later. All right. I need my paper towel. Let's see here. Okay, I'll reuse this one. Okay, so move over here, sweet peas. I am more of a abstract watercolorist versus a realist. So keep that in mind as I'm painting. I'm just trying to make some quick shapes, and typically this is the part of the painting where you're questioning everything, but just keep going with it and see it through to the end. This is a mixture of sap green, burnt umber, lamp black, and some white gouache. And actually I'm going to add more sap green since this is a brighter green. All right, let's see here. Still pretty wet there, so it's bleeding into the other paint, which I really don't mind. I think that that usually just adds some more character and beauty to it. All right. I'm going to add a little bit of that yellow. This is lemon yellow. Adding in some yellow ochre. This would have been good to do while it was still wet, but I've kind of, ooh, that one's still wet. So I'm gonna go back in with some of this pink and just make it really wet. Ooh, I like it. Some of these up here are a little bit darker. Okay, that's it. I mean, I hope it's not too fast for you guys, but that is a snapdragon. I'm gonna continue to let it dry and move on to sweet peas, sunflower. Okay, sunflower. Golden colors, I love this sunflower. Super cute, super little cute. I think I'm gonna paint it like this. You guys might not be able to see here. More like this. I should have it in a cup. Let's see here. Will that be visible? Maybe not. I'm not sure, but we're gonna wing it. Actually, I might hold it. I think I'm going to hold it instead. All right, starting with the brown, we're gonna do petals first. So I've got burnt umber. Add some red, Winsor red, some lamp black, and let's see, maybe some more red. Oh, I know what color I should have used. Should have used burnt sienna, but I didn't. It's okay. All right, get some of that pigment off my brush and let us begin. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to add those yellow tips using lemon yellow and yellow ochre. That brown is a little more brownish than red, but I think it'll look nice. I'm not really liking that brown. So let's see here what we could do here. More burnt umber. Burnt umber, lamp black, and Winsor red. Let's try it again. That's a little better. Okay. Now, I'm going to let that dry just a little bit before we come in with the center. And actually, I should, on this side, also put in a little bit of yellow, like a drop of yellow. Okay, now, adding in some of this green down here and these leaves here. Using the same green that I had mixed for the snapdragons. Gonna come down. And mix some little leaves. There's like this really, really big leaf back there. Not sure how I'm gonna get him in though. Maybe like that. And then this. Okay. Let's do this really big one here to the left yet. I feel like when you paint a little more abstract, it's not perfection, but it's more just a glimpse of what it is. I mean, we can all tell this is a sunflower, but is it like a true realistic sunflower? Absolutely not, but I think that's the beauty of it. Adding in the center, I just added a bit more lamp black to my mixture here, and I'm dabbing that in the center. Oh yeah, I really like this. So pretty. I think it would look pretty with like another one up here and a third one too, but we're gonna leave it as is. Okay, sweet peas are next. Okay, this one was a total surprise in my garden. I do not remember this color at all. I had more like light sweet peas in my garden, and they're also super light, but it's okay. I will take any surprise I get. Okay, I'm not going to try to do this whole thing. I think I'm going to do, they're already limp. I think I'm going to try to do, oh, that's like, the vase is too deep. Okay. I think I'm going to try to do this side only. Actually, I'm actually going to just cut it off. This scissors has not been a good purchase. It keeps sticking. Okay, I said this side. All right, let's see here. This one's gonna go into the vase, and we're gonna paint this. Like this. No, like this. So we can get these two little there. Okay. Color. Ooh, that's like a, I hardly ever paint with purple. So this is definitely pushing me a bit. Purple. I'm just mixing it in with that pink that I had, but if you have a clear space on your palette, feel free to just start fresh. Purple, lamp black, a little red. I'm seeing a little bit of red in there. That was far too much red. The longer you paint, the more you'll be able to see little tints of things, like little tints of color. And I added just a little bit of burnt umber. Okay, let's see how this is. All right. Definitely needs to be a little more brighter. I put in too much burnt umber. Let's see here. I should have painted a swatch, but I didn't. It's okay. This will just be a little different color than the actual sweet pea. I'm just kind of like wiggling my brush. A bug. Wiggling my brush as I'm painting. And that kind of is giving me the shape I want. I think that's about it. Be a little bit over there. And now I'm gonna add in the green. Mixing up some more sap green, lamp black, some gouache. Too much paint on my brush. I'm getting kind of close to the sunflower, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, let's see here. And there's these viney things too. Trying to add those in as well. Maybe just moving the placement of them since the sunflower is in the way. I should have had them come over on this side. Actually, maybe I will. I think I really like this. This is a fun experiment for me. I saw it on another channel that she went out to her garden and was painting from her garden, and I thought that was a great idea. So I will link her channel here if I can find it again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this part 1 and watch for part 2.